Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install Flutter in Windows 10. So for first, we need to go to Flutter document. So you type Flutter in Google and hit go to install and go to Windows section because your operating system is Windows. So in here, you go to get Flutter SDK. So you need to download this zip file. Since I have this zip file, I'm not going to download it again, and pause the video. After the finish, you can come back. And second step, you need to extract the zip file as default, so it will go to the path as below. And then the most important part is you need to declare the path into the global so you can run your Flutter command from anywhere. So in order to do this, you need to go to control panel. So when you open control panel, you go to user account and you click user account, and then you click change type. You go to user account, and you click on another user account, and you come here, change my environment variable, and you click here. It will show you this task bar, and then you click here the path, and then you click edit, and see, you need to go to the document Flutter bin, and let me show you how I get this. So I go to my local folder. So I go here, I go to Flutter, I go to bin, click here, and Control A, Control C, and when you come to this clipboard, you just paste it inside and OK. Click OK, and then another OK. So after you done those few steps, you can see you can type Flutter doctor, and if this show you like this, meaning that you are successfully installed Flutter. And now I'm going to explain you how to run your first Flutter app on the Windows. For that, first you need to go to command prompt and cd to your working project folder. So in this case, I'm saving my Flutter in here, Flutter project, and there's a little cd inside here first, and then I will call Flutter create my own app on Windows. Oops, I mean Flutter create. I forgot the keyword create here. So just create, and then you can see it create the folder for you. So I will pause the video here, and then I will come back when it's finished. I'm going to open this in Android Studio. So if you don't have Android Studio, you need to go to Google. You need to click here, download Android Studio. Download Android Studio SDK. So since I'm already have Android Studio, as you can see below here, I'm not gonna download it. I'm gonna let you just download here and pause the video, come back after you finish. So after you already download the Android Studio, you need to open it. You open your Android Studio, and then you will click here, open an existing Android Studio project, or you can create Flutter here, new Flutter project here, but we are going to use our Flutter app by creating in our command prompt here. So let's click here, open an existing project. So I'm going to go to C, I'm going to find my project here on window. This is our app here, so click OK. So everything will set up in here. So as you can see, this is the default code of Flutter that the developer in Google give us when we first run the Flutter create. So in Android Studio, it's easy for you. You need to only set up your own device. Here, you need to open your device. Click here. You see built-in. Here. So after you click here, after you set up your own device, this set up your own device, I will create another video for this alone. So after you can select this Android, then you will click this here, run. Here's the run button for the app, and now it will start the emulator here. This is our beautiful emulator. So I'll come back after this finish because this is going to take a while. Okay. Okay, so this is our first Flutter app in Windows. Okay. However, if you don't want to use this Android Studio as a code base, you can also use Visual Code Studio. Here I'm going to teach you how to run the Flutter app also on Visual Code Studio. So you have choice that you can run your code. Choice of picking the code editor and IDE. So here I'm going to open the Visual Code Studio. This is my finished project, and I'm going to open folder. This is the folder that we have created in the beginning of this video. I'm going to select here. I'm going to open my command prompt, and I'm going to call Flutter run as a command called Flutter run. So in here, when I click here, oh, don't forget that you need to connect with your device. Since I just opened my emulator, so here it get notified, so it get connected automatically, and voila, you get your first app on Windows. See, it's working. So that's all for today. I'm going to create another video of how to set up emulator, or you can use the default one, because when you install the Android Studio, it will come with the default one like this one. So I suggest you to use the default one. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Stay safe and peace.